Cooking Alan a pork chop for his birthday. Instead of going out to eat, we're cooking pork chops at the campground. Birthday to you.
Babe, it's backwards.
Happy birthday, dear Alan. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
I didn't mean to make presents happen now. I'm sorry.
Happy birthday. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Don't get it in the garlic powder.
Oh, golly. Oh, golly. You got that on video too?
Can I have a drink?
Hey, is that a
What'd you
flannel
get,
shirt?
baby?
Ooh.
Ooh, that's nice. That Carhartt?
Yep.
That'll be good.
Might put that on tonight.
Yeah,
When it gets cool.
Yeah.
it's a pretty color.
Heck yeah. And some blue jeans.
Aw, yeah.
Shoot ya. Carhartt. I'm ready
Is
to
it
go
the
to
right
job site
size?
now.
Are they the right size?
Yeah.
If they ain't, you can carry them back.
That's fine. Don't walk.
Let me see what Haley got you. Oh
Good
yeah.
idea.
Waterproof.
Now you can go out there and not get your feet wet and have warm clothes
Yep.
for your birthday.
With my flannel.
He's got a yellow jacket wanting that jelly.
I picked up another leaf by the stove.
Is it working? We're inventing Dunkin' Donut biscuits. Here, I'm gonna have to hide, shelter the wind.
Which way is it going?
It's a joint effort.
There's your birthday cake, Alan.
Happy birthday to
To
you.
you.
Happy birthday to you.
It
Happy
worked.
birthday, dear Alan. Happy birthday to you.